GitHub just released something big for developers. The Copilot SDK lets you embed GitHub Copilot's AI capabilities directly into your own applications. It's an open source SDK with libraries for Python, TypeScript, Go, and .NET. So whatever you're building, you can now tap into Copilot's AI-powered coding assistance. Getting started is simple. Install the SDK for your language, authenticate with the Copilot CLI, and you're ready to go. Your app communicates with Copilot through a clean JSON RPC interface. The API is super straightforward. Create a client, send your prompts, get AI-powered completions back. It's the same intelligence that powers GitHub Copilot, now available in your own tools. The SDK is MIT licensed and already has over 1,000 stars on GitHub. Check out the repo to start building your own AI-powered developer tools. Follow me on LinkedIn for more videos like this.